Hi family, welcome back again to the channel. How are you doing? If this is your first time joining us, you are welcome. So guys, today's video I am super excited. I will be showing you guys how I will be making our moisturizing coil defining custard. Like this creamy moisturizing coil custard is going to make you, this is what you need, like period. Like this creamy custard is everything. It helps to define your coils. Like if you have a very dry hair, you want to define your coils, you want to detangle your hair, you want to style your hair, like it is your hair is very dry, it is not like you are not able to manage your hair, it will make it very soft. You'll be able to manage your hair after applying this creamy custard, and your hair will feel very soft, and you'll be able to manage your hair. You'll be able to also detangle your hair with this creamy moisturizing coil defining custard, guys. Like I don't even know what to call it, but this is super moisturizing. It is very defining to your hair, and also it will make your coils popping. So guys, let's get right into it. We are going to be making use of flaxseed and fenugreek seed. The star ingredient here is flaxseed. Flaxseed has a mucilage content which helps to provide smoothness to the hair. It helps to detangle the hair, and also it helps to restore luster. The fenugreek also help dandruff. It helps with dandruff, it helps with scalp irritation, it also help in preventing hair thinning. So guys, these two star ingredients here is amazing. We are going to be making use of 1 cup of flaxseed and half a cup of fenugreek seed. So guys, these two ingredients are so great for the hair. Flaxseed is rich in vitamin E. It is great for the hair because it offers a lot of nutrients. It promotes a healthy scalp and prevents breakage, guys. Also, the fenugreek seed helps to nourish the hair follicles, promote faster and healthy hair growth, and also the two ingredients here contains mucilage content which helps to replenish the hair, provide smoothness, allow us to detangle our hair with ease. Okay guys, it also helps with dandruff, scalp irritation, and help to prevent hair thinning. So go ahead to add in a little water into your glass jar. Go ahead to add in enough water into your glass jar and soak this. Yes, you're going to be soaking this overnight for it to swell up and also for it to release its nutrient. The flaxseed has a lot of amazing moisturizing properties, so you want to soak this. After soaking this overnight, this is what it looks like. Then I'm going to be transferring this into a pot the next day, and I will add in a little water. You can use the water that you use in soaking this. If it is not enough, you can add in a little water and then go ahead to boil it. Okay, after boiling it, go ahead to strain it. When you are boiling it, you are going to see that it will start to thicken up, and it will start to be jelly, becoming jelly. It will start to thicken up, like as you guys can see. So I did not show you guys where I strain it. After straining it, this is what it looks like. It is going to become thick and jelly, right family? So after straining it, this is what it looks like. I will be adding in oil, some amazing moisturizing oil, and butter. So I will be making use of avocado oil and shea butter. Go ahead to melt down your shea butter, let it cool down, and add it into our flaxseed gel. This is what the gel looks like. So you can strain it with a strainer or a cheesecloth. Make sure to strain it immediately, because after cooling down, you will not be able to strain it and it will become thicker the more. So when it starts cooling down, it is going to become more thicker. So guys, this is what it looks like. Go ahead to mix it and then add in any oil of your choice. You can add in any light oil or any moisturizing oil. So I'm going to be adding in some of my DIY oil. I will be adding in my hair growth oil, vitamin E oil, and essential oil. So go ahead to add in any essential oil of your choice or any oil of your choice to make it more super moisturizing, because this is a leave-in cream. and this is going to make your hair super moisturized. You want to add in some beneficial oil or any oil that will make your hair soft and promote hair growth while styling your hair. So guys, after adding in all the oil, go ahead to mix it up with a mixer or a whisker, any mixer that you have at home, any hand mixer. Go ahead to mix it into this creamy texture, and then go ahead to pour it into your container. So I'm going to be changing this container because I don't want to be dipping my hand all the time. So this is what it looks like. This is me just showing you guys what the texture look like. You can make it more thicker than this by adding in more shea butter. So this is what it looks like, guys. So I love the texture, and yeah, you can make it into a thicker consistency or this type of consistency, guys. So yeah, this is how to make your own homemade DIY simple moisturizing coil defining custard, guys. This is super moisturizing. It will leave your hair super soft, defined. Your hair will be popping, nourished, shiny, smooth, and it also help with some detangling properties, guys. You don't need to wash this out of your hair at all. This is a leave-in cream, a leave-in moisturizing coil defining custard cream. This is so creamy, guys. So I went ahead to transfer it into this application bottle. All right, because I don't want to be dipping my hand into the cream, because I will be applying water onto my hair, and I don't want this to grow mold or spoil easily. So go ahead to store this into the fridge. It will last you for up to a month, but if you add in preservative, it is going to last you for up to 6 months. So guys, I hope you all enjoy this little tutorial. I hope you guys find it helpful. This cream is so amazing. You can decide to make it thicker than this. So I am going to be making more of this type of cream because this is so perfect for this winter period, because your hair needs moisture, your hair needs hydration, your hair needs to be, for you to be able to detangle your hair, you need this kind of a detangling cream that will help your hair to prevent breakage, especially this period, guys. So I hope you guys find this helpful. If you have watched this video to this extent, if you have watched this video to this extent, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Just watch how I am going to be styling my hair. I'm going to be doing a twist art with this cream. So just see how my hair is defined, and I'm just using my hand to detangle my hair. And also this is so great. Like, can you guys see my kinky coils popping? So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and just go ahead to watch the rest of the video and see how this turns out. Like, my twist was popping, guys. So guys, keep on watching, and don't forget to like this video, share to your friends and family, share to them, let them see this simple tutorial, and let them also make their own creamy custard, which is going to help soften their hair, which is going to help with their hair dryness, and which is going to give their hair moisture and make it easier for them to manage if they have thick hair, if they have dry hair, if they have hair that is not easily manageable. Okay, this is going to also prevent breakage. So keep on watching, guys. Alright guys, at this point my hair feels so soft. I am done styling my hair. Then I'm going to be applying my hair growth oil into my scalp and giving my hair a massage. I will also apply the oil into my hair, and also to seal in that moisture. You want to be able to seal in everything into your hair. So guys, I hope you all find this video helpful. Like, go ahead to massage your oil into your hair, into the roots, into the tips of your hair. So yeah, this is what I am going to be doing right now, and also I'll give my scalp a massage. Like, I am loving this style, guys. All right, if you guys want to see a twist art, how my twist art turns out, just leave a comment down below in the comment section. Comment down below twist, then I'm going to be making the video for you guys to see my twist art with this cream.